So, all right, guys. Um, so as I said, I'll look for liquidity strips in the daily time frame, and I'll go to the lower time frame to look for confirmations, right? So, let's say we have a setup which we analyze together, right? Um, um, okay, we have GPP card which I took. I took this trade. I took the trade. So why did I take this trade? Why did I take this trade? It's a very, very nice question, right? So I said, as I said, I will look for sweeps, liquidity sweeps, on the daily time frame, right? So in this case, I saw this guy, I saw this guy, right? I saw this guy, and you watch how he just sweep it and went back into this zone. So that is just all I'm after in the daily time frame. I want to see it, wake it out, then drag back into the zone. So once I'm done with that, I'll have to go to lower time frame to look for confirmation entry because I can't just enter off the trade just like that. You get. So I'll look for confirmations before I enter. Then here I had my confirmation, which is just the break of this. I want to see a market structure shift and simple. I'll just place my trade on the 50% of the Fibonacci retracement, right? 50% here. So this is it. I'll just place my trade here and I think I'll go for a 1 to 3. It's usually 1 to 3. So just go for a 1 to 3. Or you can just go for a 1 to 2, which is a very nice and said trade. You go for a 1 to 2. It's very nice and see it's played out perfectly. But I do normally go for a 1 to 3. 1 to 3 is very, very okay for me. I think, yeah. So this is it. A 1 to 3 trade. So almost hit TP and for now it's still running. I left the market around here because I didn't want to hold it overnight or whatever. So I just have to um leave my positions right there. So let's check another trade. I have Euro GBP, which I can remember I took. So let's analyze it together. So this is Euro GBP and let's go to daily. Remember, we go to daily to look for liquidity sweeps right there. So it's loading up. Let's wait. Okay. So we just have to wait for it to load up. Right? Okay. So let's work. It's going on. All right. So this is Euro GBP, right? So this is Euro GBP. So Euro GBP, as I said, I will want to look for liquidity sweeps. So watch in this case how this guy wicked it, he wicked this zone and went back inside. That is just what I am looking for, right? That is just what I'm looking for. I just want to see it, wick it, then come back inside the zone and I'm done. So once I'm done, I've seen this kind of thing, then I won't just enter immediately. I won't just enter immediately. I'll go to 1 hour, 2 hours, anytime from I wish to. For the least I can go is 1 hour. I can't go below that. So as I said, let me just delete this stuff and let's do it together again. So this is where it's weak and I'm interested in the cells. So now confirmation. I've seen this guy. This is the market structure shift to identify that this market is in a downtrend, right? So now I've seen this, I'll just have to bring out my flip tool to this zone right here. So this is my up, this is my down, and I will just place my limit at this point. Then stop loss is just here, and my target for TP is just 1 to 3. Right, 1 to 3. I said it before, and wash it out as it was very massive, very massive. So this is Euro GBP, and it's just something, same thing repeatedly over again. So let's just see another example. AUD card. So this is AUD card, right? I have I have a setup on AUD card now. So this is no AUD USD, sorry. AUD USD. Let's analyze it together, right? So AUD USD. So going to the daily time frame, we'll see that the same thing we are talking about. Week, right? This week, same thing we are talking about right here. This week, right? So seeing this week, okay that this market is kind of clearing liquidity and stuff like that. So I'll have to go to the lower time frame to look for entries. So let's delete this stuff and um analyze it together. So this market, you see that it has been bullish, and this was where the market structure shift happened. Like markets telling you guys about to change direction, something. This is where it happened. Then what do you expect me to do? I will just bring out my feed tool from here to where the trade is current on now, and place my limit at the 50% zone. Easy peasy, easy peasy, right? Just place it then here, and I'll target a 1:3. I'll think in this trade I'll just take some partials or something on the 1:2, because this place might have effect on the trade, but I'll still be looking at my overall 1:3 trade setup, and let's see how it's going to go. This is my overall 1:3 trade, and I'll be will I say taking partials right here, because it might as well from here, but yeah, just keep trusting our strategy and working with what is giving us and stuff like that. So I'll be entering once this market touches this. I'll just set my limit anyways. Set my limit, then stop loss and take profits would be open, and let's just see how it's going to play out. Let's see if we have okay. Let's see if we have another setup that has the same type of trading strategy we trade here. So okay, this is for a buy. So it's not always for um the the nearest for the sell. So we have buys too. So this is the daily. Remember, I just said uh liquidity sweep. I want to see this guy happen. I want to see this week happen, right? I want to see the week happen. You see that this guy came weak and entered all the way inside it. So I'll be interested in taking the buys here. So I won't just enter immediately. I'll go to lower time frames to look for confirmation entries. So let's see. Now in this trade, let's delete this. Let's delete everything here. So let's delete this everything. So right now, we'll be looking at this place. This is the market structure shift. This is now telling you that this market is now from the bearish to about buying, right? So I'll now place my feed tool from here to this zone here. That is where I'm interested. So this is our shift in market structure. This is where the market shifts that they want to start buying. So right here, I'll just have to place my feed tool and set my limit at the 50% of the zone. Then I'll target our trade. So you see, easy peasy, right? Easy peasy. You see, there's nothing to worry about and stuff like that and stuff. So that's just basically how I trade. And let's see if we have another example somewhere else, and let's see if we could analyze it together. So another disadvantage of this trading style is, what I say, you have to learn how to hold your trade more often. And the advantages are numerous. Like, I kind of prefer the advantages to whatever. So one of the advantages, it will make you not take a lot of trade every single time. So you kind of be selective with the trades you take and stuff like that. You just don't take trades every time, like over trading, trading today, trading tomorrow, trading day before yesterday, and stuff like that. You don't just keep trading all the time, right? So right here, um, I will not say I will see my setup, or let's see, this is a zone which I'll consider right here. But if you watch, this guy didn't trail back into the zone. So I might not be taking this zone. Or you can see this place here, it went back into the zone. But let's see if we could get an entry. If we could get an entry, right? So let's see if we could get an entry right there. So this zone, I love the way it went back from this guy. And let's see if we could get an entry right there. So go to 2 hours and see if we could get entry. Okay, this is tricky because now we couldn't get an entry because for me, basically, I'll be looking at this place. I didn't see any market structure shift right here. This is just like more of a flag pattern, something. So I would think market will break it and continue going down and stuff like that. But if I could take this trade, if I wanted to take this trade, it's not on my it's not aligning with my strategy. So I won't take it. But if I wanted to take it, I'll probably be entering once I saw this double button here, and I'll be entering at the break of this double button right here at the break here. So that is where I'll probably be entering here. Then stops will be at the low and targets wherever I want to target to. That is for my personal opinion, but I won't personally take this trade because it didn't align with my trading strategy and stuff like that. So it's better you just leave it, and it's better that way than just forcing your trade and forcing your way into taking a trade. So let's look for another setup to see if we could get an entry, right? Okay, let's see. Um, NZD. Let's give it a this is the daily time frame. I'm not seeing anything. And so for me, I start of this chart because if you watch here, our strategy happened here this week in and this week in. We probably targets 1:3 and they're out, and that is it. But I'm not sure we'll have confirmation right there. So let's look for more. Let's see if we have more trade examples. So another disadvantage is to make you trade more pairs. So if you are a one type of person trader, okay, let's see this guy. Now this is another tricky example, right? So this is this is absurd, man. So this is a very big week to watch. This basically cleared everything here. So I'll just probably take this one as the highest clearing that it did. So this cleared this guy, and I'm very, very okay with the liquidity sweep and stuff like that. Well, let's see if we got an entry. So This is the liquidity. Then let's see if we got an entry. So this is the daily time frame. Let's go to 2 hours and look for entries. I think I waited for this trade, and it's just one of those trades that didn't want to tri um, trigger you and stuff like that, and it's pretty annoying. Imagine, watch how this this trade just came to tap me in, and it just didn't work. I don't know what I did to it. So I set my limit and stuff. I, I was it was now like looking like I should enter manually, but why would I enter manually? I was wondering, just tag me in and go to the direction. You were saying no. So this is still the same process, the same thought process, and I waited for this guy to be taken out, and I was sure that okay, this market wants to start selling. And I used my feed from here to here, entered at it, I placed my limit, and you see, it didn't just trigger me or start dropping. It's almost near my TP and stuff. Wow. It's pretty annoying anyway, because why? Tell me why it didn't trigger me. But it's one of those trades that you have. And another thing is, don't just force your trade. Don't force the trade out. Just focus on the one you see and go to another one. If you don't see any setup, rest. If you don't see any setup, rest. So let's see, in Gemini 40, this happened. This happened. I would like to use this as an example, right? So I saw this week. So I was like, okay, okay. Then I went to the lower time frame to probably for entries. But I was waiting for this guy to be broken. Yeah, I was waiting for this guy to be broken. But no, it doesn't be broken. So I'm not probably in this trade, and I will not be in this trade unless I see any change here. Maybe if this guy will go up a little bit, break this guy. So I'll probably be waiting for this guy to be broken. For now, this is where I'm waiting for it to be broken. So once this guy is broken, I'll enter at the 50% replacement level, and I'm done. I'll just leave it. Yeah. So for now, I'm just looking at it. So the only trade I have, so sometimes I will just trade only once in a week, and I'm okay. I'm okay, to be honest, because you trading once in a week and just making it is better than trading all the time and just, man, it's not healthy, man. So I'll just probably wait for this guy to tag me in. I will not pray for it not to do like the other one that refused to tag us in. Then once I'm in, we are in. Now I have to target 3 to 1 hour and we are done. So I might just use 2% on this trade and aim for a 6% for the next week. I'm not sure this trade will take a week. I'm not just sure. It might take up to 2 weeks, whatever. But I'm praying for it to take just um just a week or a days. If it could happen in days, I will be very, very grateful. And let's just see how it plays out anyways. Um, thank you for watching content with me. My English is not that good. Please don't mock me or I beg. I'm trying to start all this content thing, and I just hope I'm getting better or turns out to be good. So for now, I'm done. Peace out.